Hey, welcome back to a new episode of Berlin. Thanks so much for checking out today's episode. Hope you guys can hear me okay. It is raining like cats and dogs out here in Berlin, but hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm trying to talk louder. You guys can hear me today on today's video. I'm trying to talk above the rain. But thanks so much for returning and checking out today's video here in Rad City, Berlin. In today's video, we got some really cool, exciting stuff to show you guys. We have here a bunch of mods that have now finally arrived for the ZX that we're going to throw on the bike in today's video. So enjoy today's video. We're going to go through, I'll first unbox everything, show you guys what we have inside the box, and then we'll see how much we can do in today's video, and then we'll continue on from there. So before we start today's video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, put this video on pause, hit that subscribe button, support Rad City, and then we'll go and jump over to the ZX mods and have some fun here with the ZX today on Rad City, Berlin. Okay, nice. So all the rain now finally broke, so now we can go back and continue along with the Super73 ZX. Luckily now the rain stopped, so we can now talk and work a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and start, and we can go through and I'll show you guys what we have in stock for the Super73 ZX. We have more or less everything. I'm still waiting on one more component. I'll go into that more in today's video in terms of what other mods we're going to be installing on the Super73 ZX here on Rad City. So starting off, we're going to install here a nice left-handed thumb throttle. It should be a nice and easy mod that we'll go ahead and put on here on the left-hand side and see how that works on the ZX. Next up, we have some brand new Lecky buzz bars, 160mm crank arms, same ones that we have on the RX. These are straight from New Zealand, never been opened. Careful with these. Some really nice Lecky crank arms. This would be super fire. They'd be really nice to install. They'd be like the RX, well then they'll give us some really good longer pedal action, make it easier to then to pedal. Here the ZX. And this we alluded to as well as too. I showed you guys this in a previous video. Never been used, straight from Super73 EU. Some Super73 air suspension forks, front suspension forks. Really nice, still in the wrapping. It's raining, so I'm not going to unwrap it right now because it's raining, but pretty straightforward install. Yeah, this is going to be a really nice upgrade here with the Lecky crank arms and the front suspension and the thumb throttle for off-road use only. That'll be a really nice install. So we have this as well too coming up for the mods for the ZX. Last but not least, we have here a really nice box from Flow Carbon, and it'll be out from California. Let's go ahead and open it up and check out what's inside the box here. It is raining, but it's not coming down so hard right this second. We have here a really nice kit. We have here like the ZX battery, a nice t-shirt, awesome, thank you. Titanium nuts, those would be great, those would be rad. We have these for both the ZX and the RX, so that'll be fun to get onto the bikes. Quick preview of what we have inside the box here. It's right now raining, so we're going to go ahead and go inside of Craftwerk, and we'll go and continue the video over there. So carbon fiber install. We're now inside here at Craftwerk, inside the garage. Outside from the rain. That's the beauty of Craftwerk. We don't need to work outside anymore. So let's go ahead and start by taking off all the plastics, and then we'll go ahead and throw in all the carbon fiber. So starting off, we're just going to take off all the plastics, take a look at the bike, clean it up. Alright, first bit is the bash plate. Got that off now. Boom, put that here. Okay, this one here. Take this off. Cool. Front fender is now off. The screws use Loctite. Okay, so now we got the front fender off. As well too, we have here the bash plate taken off. Front guard, super simple. Let's go ahead and take off now the rear fender. Alright, so this one here is using 8mm wrench screw. So super easy. 2 screws here, 2 nuts. Very easy to take off. Alright, so let's get all the screws in order here. There's one other one I gotta find. One other nut. Like, basically find one other nut, but we'll locate that, no problem. Alright, so I've got these screws off here. Now we gotta take off this piece here. Alright, cool. So try and install this rear fender. Let's go and get it out of the bag first. Alright, so here's the rear fender. This is what we're dealing with. And basically we have the 2 screws here. But then what we need to figure out is this rear bar. So it looks like they provide you with provisions in the bag. Let's see what their setup is here. Compare that to the current setup. Okay, so we have here, check, we have here the screws for the mounting here. All right. This is the interesting part. So this is then, we gotta figure out how this thing is being mounted here. Okay, so this is going on here, understand, and then these are being held on. I'd say here. Hang on, let's go ahead and check how they have it installed on their flow carbon bike. Okay, cool. Understand, even easier. So basically you gotta take off this whole entire piece here. And this basically sits here. But then these bars going from this mounting point to here. Basically what it's showing us. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off this rear fender here. It requires taking off this entire bar, it seems. Okay. There you go. Using these little wrenches are no good. Move one. Quickly put the screw back in. It doesn't mess with the alignment. Right back where it belongs. Lucky, but this channel guide stays in place. Alright. The torque, the thread locker look good as well too. In good condition. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. Boom. Give this a nice wipe down. Nice clean. This thing. Except for the dirt. This thing is blemish free. Regular wear and tear from 50 kilometers of use. Alright. If you guys want to buy this, just hit me up on Instagram or Facebook, Rad City Berlin. I'll make you a deal. First come, first serve. Boom, ZX stock fender. So let's go ahead now and install. Let's go and install the rear first. Alright, cool. Now we got these brackets on, nice and loose and not on too tight. Alright, so now we can basically take this one. This goes here. Hi. These should go on here, basically, according to the picture. One side, let's get the other side on. Tricky. Cool. So, moving on, now we'll install the fluorocarbon matte front bash plate here. Super easy. Take the stock screws, put them into the holes here. Make sure you have the nut side going up. All right. Make sure you have a small Allen key. Okay. And basically, top two screws. Get this cable. And the cable's a little bit tight. Tighten it down. So, mid plate bash guard installed. Rear carbon fiber installed. Looking good. All right. So, front fender. Done. That's awesome. So now we got the rear fender installed. We have now the front fender installed. We have here the mid plate installed. One last piece. Just going to get the battery off. I'll show you guys what I mean. Use a sticker to take off some stickers. Basically, the carbon fiber has a two-sided tape. that then attaches to the battery. So in order for a good seal, I want to take off the sticker, otherwise the carbon fiber is just stuck onto the sticker, which is not the most secure. Alright, good to go. Go ahead and take off the red side. Yeah, nice. We have now the carbon fiber body kit installed. Looking really nice, looking really fire. Same quality, just as good quality as the RX carbon fiber kit from Flow Carbon. Top notch. So check, we'll go ahead and end today's video here. Memory card, battery is all full, dead. So we'll go ahead and end the video here. Continue on next week with the Super73 ZX front suspension, plus the Lucky crank arms, and see what else we can get done in next week's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the install. You guys stay safe. I'll see you guys again real soon. This is Rad City. I'm out.